So different examples of operating systems, like as I have discussed that different examples of operating systems are like MS-DOS. This is one command-based operating system. Then Windows operating system. This is one kind of graphical user interface system. Then Linux operating system. Basically, this is one kind of secure operating system because in case this operating system security features are high. Then Android mobile operating system. This is basically we use in touch screen phones. And iOS mobile operating system. So basically this is designed for Apple devices like Apple phones, Apple laptops, and operating systems like in which can be used in case of Apple based system devices. Okay, so these all are the examples of operating systems. Now one by one we will discuss all the examples of it. So basically MS-DOS. So MS-DOS is one kind of Microsoft disk operating system, and it is a non-graphical operating system. Why we are saying that it is a non-graphical operating system? Because this kind of operating system is command based basically. Okay, and it was developed by IBM, and this operating system uses a command line interface. So command line interface means if you want to interact with the computer, then you have to write some commands, then only the you can interact with the computer. Like if you have written dir, so all the directories will be opened, how many directories you are having in your computer. If you want to create one file, then you have to write md means make directory, or if you want to create one file, then you have to write one command. Okay, you have to write one command to create one kind of file. Like whether you want to create one text file, then you have to write extension of it. If you want to create one doc file, then you have to write one extension of it. And if you want to write some content into it, then obviously you have to write some content, and then after that you have to save that file with the help of some commands. Okay, so all the work which you are doing in case of MS-DOS, it is being done with the help of some commands. So that is why you are saying it is a command line interface, or it is a command based operating system. Okay, so with the help of which you are navigating, you are opening, you are manipulating the files on the computer system. Okay, so hope you have clear that what do you mean by MS-DOS, and in the practical session all the commands will cover. Then how it looks like, basically MS-DOS looks like this. Okay, this is the icon of MS-DOS, right? Then the next example of operating system, that is Windows operating system. So Windows operating system is designed by Microsoft, and it is to be used on Intel or AMD based processors, and it provides an interface which is known as graphical user interface. Means basically this is one GUI operating system which eliminates the need to memorize the commands for the command line by using a mouse to navigate through menus, dialog boxes, buttons, tabs and icons. So in short, what you can say that this is one graphical user interface operating system. Why? Because with the help of icon, you are just giving command to the computer system. Okay, you are clicking on the icon, just like if you want to open my computer, then you just check like this is my computer, because the icon you can see now. So you will click on that, and then after all you can access all the things. Okay, if you want to open one list, then obviously menus are there, start menus there. Okay, if you want to there is one button in any kind of software, then obviously with the help of that button you can give command to the computer system. With the help of tabs you can give command to the computer. With the help of icons, the graphical icons, you can give command to the computer system. So basically in case of this operating system, you are not interacting with the computer with the help of commands, you are interacting with the computer with the help of graphics. Okay, so that is why you are saying it is a kind of graphical user interface kind of operating system, or you can say GUI operating system. Done. and it looks like this. This is basically one logo of Windows operating system. Done. Then the next type of operating system, that is Linux operating system. So Linux operating system, basically this Linux operating system is an open source operating system project, and it was freely distributed, and it is a cross-platform operating system which was developed based on Unix. It is a multi-user and multitasking operating system, means different number of tasks can be done in this operating system, and different number of users can use this same operating system. Okay, and the main thing is security in this operating system. So Linux provides user security using authentication features, and also threat detection and solution is very fast, because Linux is mainly the community driven. Okay, so basically with the help of like security point of view, this is one kind of secure operating system. Done. So this is the logo of Linux operating system. Then the next type of operating system is Android mobile operating system. So as you have heard the name of Android, because in each and every mobile phone, like if you check all kind of like Samsung mobile phone, or different kind of mobile phones like Nokia, the Android mobile operating system is there. Okay, so Android is a Google Linux based operating system, and it is designed primarily for touch screen mobile devices such as smartphones and tablet computers. So this is one logo of this Android operating system. Done. The next is iOS mobile operating system. So iOS, which is a short form of iPhone OS. So iPhone, basically this is one Apple iPhone, and it is a mobile operating system created and developed by Apple Inc. Okay, so it is inclusively for its hardware like A12 Bionic chip that presently powers many of its mobile devices, including iPhone, iPad, and iPod. Okay, so in case of all the Apple devices, iOS or mobile operating system is being installed, and so this is one kind of operating system. This is one kind of example of operating system. Okay, so these all are the examples of operating system. So you can write in your exams if this question comes. We hope you have understood all kind of examples of operating system. So there can be one other kind of operating system also, like if you want to write in the example, but the basic examples of operating systems are these. Okay, so you just learn from it, and the next topic will be discussed in the next session. So till then, thank you everyone. This is one logo of iOS. So thank you everyone, thank you so much.